Welcome back to my channel Luxury Drive Car. Today, we're diving deep into the world of hypercars to explore a true marvel of engineering and design, the 2025 SSC Tuatara. This American masterpiece has been turning heads and breaking records, and in this comprehensive review, we'll uncover every facet of this extraordinary vehicle. Introduction to the SSC Tuatara. The SSC Tuatara, produced by SSC North America, is a hypercar that has redefined the boundaries of speed, performance, and luxury. Designed by the renowned Jason Castriota, the Tuatara's sleek and aerodynamic profile is inspired by the aerospace industry, resulting in a vehicle that is as visually striking as it is mechanically impressive. Design and aerodynamics. At first glance, the Tuatara's design is a harmonious blend of form and function. Its sharp nose, V-shaped bonnet, and large LED headlamps contribute to its aggressive stance. The body is constructed entirely from carbon fiber, ensuring both strength and lightness. This meticulous attention to aerodynamics has resulted in a drag coefficient of just 0.279, one of the lowest in its class, allowing the Tuatara to slice through the air with minimal resistance. Powertrain and performance. Under the hood lies the heart of the beast, a 5.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. This power plant delivers an astounding 1,750 horsepower when running on E85 fuel. The engine features a flat-plane crankshaft, allowing for a redline of 8,800 RPM. Mated to this engine is a 7-speed semi-automated manual transmission, integrated with a state-of-the-art Aerodynamic AMT system. This setup ensures lightning-fast gear shifts, contributing to the Tuatara's blistering acceleration. In terms of performance metrics, the Tuatara is engineered to exceed a top speed of 300 miles per hour, solidifying its position among the fastest production cars in the world. The vehicle's lightweight construction, with a dry weight of approximately 2,750 pounds, further enhances its agility and speed. Chassis and suspension. The Tuatara's chassis is a carbon fiber monocoque, providing a rigid and lightweight foundation. The suspension system is fully adjustable, allowing drivers to tailor the ride height and damping characteristics to their preference. In sport mode, the ride height is set at 4 inches in the front and 4.5 inches in the rear, suitable for everyday driving. Switching to track mode lowers the vehicle to 2.75 inches in the front and 3.75 inches in the rear, optimizing aerodynamics and handling for high-speed performance. Interior and technology. Stepping inside the Tuatara, occupants are greeted with a cabin that seamlessly blends luxury and functionality. The interior is adorned with premium leather and Alcantara upholstery, exuding an air of sophistication. A centrally mounted touchscreen controls the vehicle's functions, providing intuitive access to various settings. The configurable instrument panel behind the steering wheel displays critical information, including a speedometer that reads up to 300 miles per hour. To enhance visibility and reduce aerodynamic drag, the Tuatara employs a camera system in place of traditional side mirrors. The cabin is designed to comfortably accommodate drivers up to 6 feet tall, even when wearing a helmet, ensuring that enthusiasts of various statures can enjoy the driving experience. Safety features. Safety is paramount in a vehicle of this caliber. The Tuatara is equipped with advanced safety features, including a robust carbon fiber monocoque chassis that provides exceptional structural integrity. The active aerodynamics not only enhance performance but also contribute to stability at high speeds. Additionally, the vehicle is fitted with high-performance braking systems and traction control to ensure that the immense power is delivered to the road safely. Production and exclusivity. SSC North America has limited the production of the Tuatara to just 100 units, ensuring its exclusivity. Each vehicle is meticulously assembled at SSC's facility in Richland, Washington. This limited production run not only guarantees rarity but also allows for a high degree of customization, enabling owners to tailor their Tuatara to their personal preferences. Variants. Striker and Aggressor. In addition to the standard model, SSC offers two variants of the Tuatara, the Striker and the Aggressor. Tuatara Striker. This variant focuses on enhanced aerodynamics and downforce, featuring additional aerodynamic components that increase downforce by up to 1,000 pounds. This makes the Striker particularly suited for track enthusiasts seeking superior handling and stability. Tuatara Aggressor. The Aggressor is a track-only variant that offers even more extreme performance. It allows customers to opt for a non-street legal engine upgrade, pushing the power output to an astonishing 2,200 horsepower. This variant also offers a range of customization options, including bespoke interiors and exclusive color schemes, catering to discerning collectors and racing aficionados. Pricing. As of 2022, the base price of the SSC Tuatara is approximately $2 million. This investment reflects the cutting-edge technology, exceptional performance, and exclusivity that the Tuatara offers. The Striker and Aggressor variants, with their additional features and performance enhancements, come at a premium, with prices varying based on customization and options selected. Driving experience. Behind the wheel, the Tuatara delivers an exhilarating experience. The combination of its lightweight construction, powerful engine, and advanced aerodynamics results in razor-sharp handling and breathtaking acceleration. The steering is precise, providing excellent feedback to the driver, while the suspension system adeptly balances comfort and performance. Whether navigating tight corners on a track or cruising on an open highway, the Tuatara offers a driving experience that is both engaging and unforgettable. Conclusion. The 2025 SSC Tuatara stands as a testament to what is achievable when cutting-edge engineering meets visionary design. It not only pushes the boundaries of speed and performance but also offers The 2025 SSC Tuatara's rear end is a masterpiece of aerodynamic engineering, designed for both aesthetics and performance. Every detail of the backside contributes to the hypercar's insane speed and stability. The carbon fiber body seamlessly integrates aggressive aerodynamic elements, ensuring maximum efficiency at high speeds. One of the most striking features is the massive rear diffuser, strategically designed to optimize airflow and create significant downforce. This component works in harmony with the active rear wing, which dynamically adjusts to different driving conditions, enhancing both stability and cornering grip. The wing plays a crucial role in reducing drag when accelerating while increasing downforce when braking or cornering at high speeds. The taillights are slim and futuristic, incorporating LED technology that complements the sharp, angular design of the car. They seamlessly blend into the aggressive rear fascia, giving the Tuatara an unmistakable signature look. At the center, a large triple-exit exhaust system dominates the rear, producing a ferocious roar that perfectly matches its monstrous twin-turbo V8 engine. The carbon fiber rear bumper and sculpted vents further aid in cooling and aerodynamics, ensuring the car remains efficient and powerful even under extreme performance conditions. Additionally, the rear fenders emphasize the wide stance, showcasing the car's dominance on the road and track. Every inch of the Tuatara's backside is engineered for speed, downforce, and visual drama, making it one of the most breathtaking hypercar designs of the modern era. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.